So it's been a while. Junkyard shit. Let's go. So yeah, like I said, man, two of them things back to back. Got an 83 to my left, or y'all right, or our right. Everything is it been stripped. It been stripped, y'all. And got it on column gone. Fucking still some shit out the dashboard there, but not a lot. Dough is gone. Somebody needed the dough. Had to use my strong hand, man. Fucking still recovering from the accident. Look like we got some, well, one hood hinge. Look like the other one's still on the car. Like I said, I ain't come out here for nothing, man. I just came to bring out the footage. 1983. Man, this bad boy originally was right here from Killeen, Texas, man. 1983. This shit been ducked off in somebody's grandma's yard or some shit. Got a trunk lid on there. Some more stuff in the back. Look like they put an exhaust on there. It look like it's dual, so it's not the original exhaust. You check out our 86 over here. That's already gone. You know what I'm saying? 86 already gone. They got some fucking, had some big heavy duty ass wire here, dude. Ground wires, and I don't even think I need none of that shit. If it was like just like right here and accessible, that's why I be grabbing shit, cause it just be right there. Got a trunk lid on this one a little bit better. 1986, look like a Broham. Had a top on it. Two-tone. I don't know what the fuck this seat come out of. Or it just come with an extra seat. This Sony remote. Glove box. Damn, I was hoping that bitch had a damn. I was coming out here hoping that bitch had the fender on that hoe. Somebody got that bitch. Cause I damn sure was gonna snatch that hoe. I was coming. Y'all know we doing the body work on the two though, man. I was coming to get that motherfucking fender for this bitch. I was like, if that bitch got a fender, I'm gonna take that bitch off, strip that bitch down, and fucking strip that bitch down, primer it, slap that bitch on that two-door, and they can keep it fucking moving. Keep it fucking moving. But then I got both of the fenders off of this bitch. Both of them. Header panel, all that shit. If it didn't, I mean, it might have came to the yard like that, but a lot of times that shit be the first shit to go. You know what I'm saying? I can't see it. Look like it got air shocks on it. Once again, the column is gone. And columns is hard to come by, man. Very, 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 very hot commodities. Got a door panel. You know what I'm saying? Seats. 86, man. The rocker panels. 1, 2, 3, 4. So look like the rocker panel is there. Look like a rocker panel in there on this here. For what's left anyway. Rocker panel. Rocker panel, rocker panel, rocker panel. I might come back out this bitch and get the rocker panel. Well, probably not. I don't know. I ain't bring shit with me. I was just said I was coming for y'all, man. I was coming for y'all, so yeah, man. Like I said, it's been a while. Hadn't had no box Chevys hit the yard, man. So when these two hit the alert, you know what I'm saying, I had to run out here and bring y'all this footage. 1983, 1986. If y'all need anything off of them, budget wrench apart. Belton, Texas is where it's located. No, I am not pulling shit. It's too hot to be out here working, pulling parts. Like I said, the only reason I came out here was to bring y'all this footage. I'm talking about, give y'all the heads up. If you needed something, it's here. You know what I'm saying? But I myself will not be pulling any parts for profit. So. All right, well, shit. Let me look around, man. See what else is out here. See if I see anything interesting. As I'm on my way back up to the front, cause it's too hot for this shit. This one was last registered 2011. This one was last registered 2015 or 14, because, you know, of course, oh shit, it might have been 12. It might have been between 13 and 14. They still got the one year sticker on them, but I'm willing to bet more than anything it was this one here. So 2010 and 2014, last time he was on the road. So shout out to them boys for keeping them rolling. Boys or girls, whatever. Drive training completely gone on this one. This one, you know, got a little old 305 and everything in there, so. There you go, there you have it. I wish this bitch wasn't out. This shit worse off than my shit, so I'm better off doing the body work on that I got. But I was damn sure hoping that goddamn shit, this motherfucker would have been here, but it wasn't, so. All gravy, baby. All gravy. Make sure y'all smash that like button. And like I said, I know it's been a while since we had some box Chevy Junkyards content. They just haven't been hitting the yards. So if y'all are brave enough to brave the heat, man, and need some shit out these cars, man, come on out here to get them. Come on out here to get them. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. If I was to get another fucking car, because I had no plan on, I'd definitely go to like a 3800 platform. Man, this fucking parts out this bitch for days, bro. Series 3, Series 2. I mean, you can get like your Impala, or you can get your Pontiac. You can get your goddamn Impala, Regal, fucking Alero. Fucking, I think even the Grand Dam. The fucking, what the fuck this bitch called? The Sabre. You know what I'm saying? I hate to see these bitches hit the yard. I ain't gonna lie to you. I didn't necessarily care for working on front wheel drive 3800s, but I'm familiar with them now, man. So, like, I low key wouldn't mind having another one. If I can be persuasive in getting my daughter first car or my son first car. My son, he can definitely get a 3800. I mean, that's if we're not flying by then. But yeah, they everywhere, man. Parts are plentiful. You know what I'm saying? Look Cavaliers. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I got another little Sabre, Century, the Sabre. Like, motherfuckers everywhere. I'm telling you. And this is just me walking back to the front, my boy. Like, I ain't even really looking. I mean, yeah, I'm walking through the GM section, but look, another one, the Sabre. I'm not going way the fuck down there. Plus a motherfucking bitch. Back. What the fuck I thought? Let me stop playing with that bitch right here, cause I cannot. I'm not back at 100%. Yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Box Chevy content, junkyard shit. Like I said, I know it's been a while, but had nothing hit. I've been looking. Nothing hit. So when it did hit, I made sure I grabbed it, brought it to you.